The ZANU-PF leader Emmerson Mnangagwa, 5 years ago, reportedly plotted to remain in office beyond his constitutionally mandated term in 2028, as revealed in a resurfaced video clip. Sanabina mashoko atakuona kuti aiwa kumanaka kuti aiwa panapa tinoona kuti mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe 5 years ago aiwa akanga atoplota kuda kuviolate the constitution achiti aiwa achanga ari muofisi kusvika 2030. Sanabina mashoko mudanyongwa aiwa the video clip wekuratidza kuti aiwa vakomana aiwa vari wana achitaura mashoko anoti wasubscribe like watombe like kuti mina panapa munhau mudanyora achiti in the video Mnangagwa boldly states 2030 ndinenge ndichipo, in 2030 I'll still be here, which many have interpreted as a clear indication that he had long been planning to extend his presidency. His declaration has sparked concerns over his intentions to bypass the country's constitutional limits, which restricted the president to 2 terms in office. The video footage suggests that Mnangagwa's desire to remain in power is not a recent development, but rather a plan he has been netting for years. In the clip, he confidently asserts 2030 ndinenge ndichipo, implying that he intended to either amend or sidestep constitutional provisions to extend his rule. In recent months, ZANU-PF has ramped up its push for the postponement of elections until 2030, further intensifying fears that Mnangagwa may be maneuvering to extend his term beyond 2028. The call for a delay are seen by many as part of a broader strategy to secure Mnangagwa's continued hold on power, potentially leading to a violation of Zimbabwe's constitution. Tomashoko atirikuona kuti aiwa vanhu vari kuona kuti aiwa this plan hainangopera yatongoplaniwa izvezvi, but yakatobva kare 5 years ago. Tiona kunana 2020-2019 aiwa angatotaura achiti aiwa anoramba ari ngori mupower zvikangona 2030. Tudze mafungiro enyu ari kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi? Pindai musection medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.